Hi dear children, how are you all? Must be fit and fine. We have completed our second unit test syllabus, that is chapter 7 subtraction and lesson 16 data handling. Now we will start with the revision. In this video we will take chapter 7 subtraction and table of 6. Let's start. So let's start with the revision of lesson 7 subtraction of numbers. Okay. As I have already told you that in second UT means in November, the syllabus is lesson 7 subtraction of numbers, lesson 16 data handling and tables 2 to 6. Okay, so we'll start the revision of this lesson 7. Okay, let us recall cross and subtract. First is here some pictures are given. You just have to count and cut. Okay. 8 minus 5. Here 8 circles are here. Okay, and you have to cut 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many numbers are left? 1, 2, 3. So here 3 will come. So according to this, same we'll do in second and third question. Here in second 9 minus 6 and in third 12 minus 7. Okay. Now we will do properties of subtraction. Okay. First, subtraction of 0. When we subtract 0 from a number, when we subtract 0 from any number like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, any number, the answer is the number itself. Example, 2 minus 0 equal to 2. Because 0 means nothing. So this is the number and answer is the same 2. Okay. Now come to second one, subtraction of 1. When we subtract 1 from a number, the answer is the number that comes before it. Okay. When we subtract 1 from any number, what is the answer? The answer is that comes before it, the number. Okay. Example, 5 minus 1. Which number comes before 5? 4. So 4 is the answer. Come to this one, 3. Subtraction of same number. When we subtract the same number from the given number, the answer is 0. When we subtract any number from the same number, like if we subtract 2 out of 2, the answer is 0. One example is also written here, 4 minus 4 equal to 0. Understand? So these are the properties of subtraction. Okay. Now come to exercise 7.1. This is the revision. Fill in the circles. Here what we will do, same that we have learnt here. Properties of subtraction, subtraction of 0, subtraction of 1, subtraction of same number. Related to this exercise is here. Okay. First is fill in the circles. First is 6 minus 1. Okay, I have already told you here subtraction of 1 we will follow here in 6 minus 1. So what comes before 6? 5. So 5 will come here. 6 minus 1, 5. Here 8 minus circle equal to 7. Okay. This number before 8, which number comes? 7. So which number will come here? 1. So rest 12 minus 1, 16 minus 0, 7 minus 1, 9 minus 9, 2 minus 1, 6 minus dash equal to 6. This you will do after the session. Okay. So next, subtraction of the one digit numbers from 2 digits. Okay. This we have already done in our videos. And here we are doing the revision. Okay, exercise 7.2 revision. Subtract the following. Here 88 minus 8. See, you all know that what we are doing, what we do in addition and subtraction, we use our hand for the subtraction. Here, see, first 8 minus 8. These are the same numbers and we have done in properties of subtraction. 8 minus 8 is 0. And here nothing is written, so same number will come down. So 88 minus 8, 80 is the answer. Here 77 minus 5. So here we'll take help from our hand. Okay. Here count 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and cut 5 out of 7. Cut 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How much left? 1, 2. So 7 minus 5, 2. And here same 7 will come down. Okay. So come to the next one. 99 minus 4. Count 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So out of 9, how much we have to cut? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many numbers are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 9 minus 4, 5. And here same, nothing is written here. So same number will come down. 95 is the answer. So according to this, rest you will do after the session. Here questions are written and after the session write these questions in your notebooks and do the practice. Okay. Daily practice is very must in maths. Okay. Then come to the exercise 7.3 revision. In subtraction I have already told you that only exercise 7.1, 7.2 and 7.3 will come. Okay. For second UT, subtraction of two digit numbers. First subtract the following. Here 57 minus 42. So again we'll take help from our hand. Which is the number here? 7. So count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And how much we have to cut? 2. So cut 1, 2. How much left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 will come here and here 5 minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So cut 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1 will left. So 15 is the answer. Come to the next. 90 minus 60. Here 0 minus 0, 0. And here 9 minus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Cut 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And how many numbers are left? 1, 2, 3. So 90 minus 60, 30 is the answer. And here some questions are written. This you will do after the session. Okay. So complete this full work in your copies and do the work. Okay. Open page 108 and subtract the following. This is let us revise. In this page only these questions we have to do, part A, B and C. See, 62 minus 2, 60, 88 minus 7, 81, 86 minus 25, 61. This D, E, F, G, H, I, these are not in the syllabus. Okay, so A, B, C. See this. Okay, here question 2, this also not come. Then third question, tick the correct choice. When we subtract 0 from a number, the answer is the number itself. Okay, this we have already done in properties of subtraction. Okay, come to second one. When we subtract the same number from the given number, the answer is 0. Okay, come to C part. 11 minus dash equal to 0. Okay, here 11 will come. 11 minus 11, answer is 0. Okay, now come to this one. Question 4. Divya bought a box of 80 pencils. She has bought a box of 80 pencils. One girl, Divya. She gave 40 pencils to her brother. In one box 80 pencils are there and 40 pencils she has given to her brother. How many pencils are left with Divya? These are problem sums. First we'll arrange the numbers, then we'll do the subtraction. Here tens and ones. Here 80 minus 40. 0 minus 0, 0. And 8 minus 4, 4. Okay. So 40 is the answer. And these questions, they will not come. Okay. So we have done the revision of subtraction, and after the session practice this work. Okay. Then come to table of 6. Okay. Table of 2 to 5, we have already done the revision of table of 2 to 5, that it comes in first term. So this one table of 6 is added in second UT. Okay. So we'll do the practice of table of 6. See, table of 6. 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. 6 threes are 18. 6 fours are 24. 6 fives are 30. 6 six are 36. 6 sevens are 42. 6 eights are 48. 6 nines are 54. 6 tens are 60. So after the session, write this table in your notebooks and do the practice regularly. So with this we are ending our this session. So after the session, start studying your work, your UTs there in November. Okay. With this we have completed the revision of chapter 7, subtraction and table of 6. Hope that you will practice the given work as your UTs are in next month, that is November. Till then, stay home, stay safe and do not trouble your parents.